When the puzzle connects, it's like you'll never forget the way it starts to be.